What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going over a full review of the 2022 GLC 300. I just picked up this car from Mercedes, literally on the license plate that stands for Mercedes-Benz, so it's super official. This car qualifies for Uber Black, which is one reason why I really wanted to give you guys this option of a cheaper car that qualifies for Uber Black. This car, the MSRP brand new, is $43,000. And by the way, to get an Uber Black, to qualify for Uber Black, the car only needs to be a 2016. By the time you're watching this in 2023, maybe in later it's more. But you can use a used car, so you can get a car like this that's used for like 15 grand into Uber Black. It's literally crazy. So let's do a quick walk around of the car. This is fully stock, so the rims are super nice, by the way. I did just get it detailed because my friend, he's a car detailer, and he detailed the car for me because he was making some video content. So it does look super nice right now. Honestly, compared to that Rivian, I would totally choose this car. So a Rivian crashed into me, so I have bad experiences with them. But yeah, this is what it looks like from the back. In my opinion, it's a really beautiful car. It's got 244 horsepower, so it's not insanely fast, but it is, you know, it's decent. It's got the roof rack here, so if you need to put anything, you can get the little things on the side. But yeah, let's just do one full walk around, and then I'll show you the inside. So it does look pretty freaking sleek in the front. Nice design. Quick little walk around here. Go to the back. Pretty beautiful. Uber Black car. This car qualifies for Lyft Black, Uber Black, all the black ones. I'm pretty sure it's fine that it does have colored interior. It does have keyless entry, so you can just click that. It should lock it. I got my keys right here, yeah. Of course, now it's not working. Open it. There we go. There's opening. Cars always glitch when you really want them to work. So this is the interior. A lot of people don't know how to heat the seats. The seat warmers is right here. This is how to actually move the seat up and back. If you go like that. A lot of people who get into Mercedes don't know that, but you know, Mercedes is like this. By the way, I love owning a Mercedes because, so I have a Mercedes and I had to get my car serviced and they gave me this car. I've had this car for 2 days now. I'm gonna have it for one more. And it's like you basically get to test drive new cars for free. Not only test drive them, but like keep them at your house. And this is, I would never have, by the way, ever had a red car interior. But I'm just testing them out. So it looks super fancy, it looks modern. Oh, let me see if the lights turn on. Oh yeah, the lights do turn on. You can barely see it, but on the ground it has the light, the Mercedes light. It's super bright out still, so you can't really see it, but it lights up at night. It has purple lighting. I kind of wish it was night, but the lighting would be horrible. But so yeah, you got all your control functions here. Oh, and one of the things it does have here, it has, let me see if I can pull this right now, or if I need to have the car on for this. I might need to turn the car on for this. Oh, it has push to start. Turn that off. Listen to the Beatles, you know. And it does have a moonroof that does close. So it doesn't open, unfortunately. I do like when it's a sunroof and it does fully open. But this adds so much lighting inside and makes it feel way more open, which I love, this little moonroof. And it's actually huge. I don't know if you can see, but like it takes up from the back almost the whole ceiling. The only thing it's blocking is this thing here. It's got a decent amount of legroom for you as a driver. Passenger here. And this is the siding on this side. Let me just show you guys. So this is the screen that comes with it. You can connect your phone there. It's got radio, media, comfort. Ooh. Oh, we can do the different lighting. Front. Oh yeah, you can see the lighting is coming in. Ooh, that's cool. You can literally change the lighting. That's actually pretty dope. I did not even know that. So yeah, oh, there we go, there we go. We got some lighting now. Oh, I like that. Oh, and in the back too, guys. Guys, that's honestly pretty sick. I don't know why, but like the lighting is sick. So let's try turning it down and see if it goes. So we're gonna turn it down. Oh yeah, see it, now it's off. Lame, yeah, that's lame. You gotta drive with it all the way up, bro. Look at that, turn on. Woohoo, look at that, bro. Sheesh, you pull some ladies in this car. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back a bit. Oh, we can change the color. Oh my God, I literally didn't even realize you could change the freaking color. Green? Green for the boys? A little green. Oh, that's actually dope. Let's do blue for the Rideshare hub. We got blue? Blue for the Rideshare hub? That looks kind of purple still. Kind of, oh no, that looks purple. Do light blue, maybe then change it a little bit. I don't know. Oh, you can do multicolor so it changes. Oh no, it's like, oh, fire red. Ooh, some fire red. I'm sorry guys, I don't have this in my car, so this is fancy schmancy to me. Let's go back, let's see what else it has. Info. Turn the freaking AC off because it's, oh yeah, that's how you do the AC right there. Do the back seats have heat warmers? Oh no, I don't think the back seats have seat warmers, which is kind of lame. But yeah, the front ones do. That's how you turn it on. This is how you change the position of the headrest. Should at least. I don't know why it doesn't want to change. I'm gonna break it. That's how you change the seat here. Does that work? Maybe these ones don't change. I don't know. Okay, so let's go. Oh, here we go. The engine. Consumption. Operator's manual. So yeah, those are mostly the inside. We got the back seat here. It does have this thing here for cup holders. These things are pretty fancy. And then you have the cup holders right there that open up, and then they just open up to like that. Somehow. Oh yeah, you just stick your thing in there. Oh, we got the inside here. Oh, one downside I hate about the car is it doesn't have, like, all the new cars got rid of the USB ports. So you can't even plug in your phone. Like a normal, like, I don't have, like, I have an old phone. I mean, maybe a lot of people have new phones now, but I don't have, like my charger is, like I had to plug it into a separate adapter, which is, like, my old one, just to charge my freaking phone because I was driving around and my phone was dying. So I had to get this from my other car, my old freaking Ford Escape, that's 2011. So I can't, there's no way to plug it in here. So it's like, bro, what the heck? I don't know why they're trying to get all fancy smancy on me. So I can't even charge my phone now. That's one thing I don't like about it, but you know, pretty normal legroom here. Oh, let's go into sport mode. I'll show you guys. It has sport, sport plus, and then individual. Boom, boom, boom. So I usually drive, honestly, in comfort mode is fine. Sport mode is pretty good. Sport plus is, honestly, if you're looking for a car, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, if you're looking for a car that goes fast, this is not the car for you. This car does not go fast. I'm used to driving fast, you know, pretty, not, I wouldn't say like fast cars like Lamborghinis or anything, but like, this car does not accelerate very fast. This thing is probably 4 times as slow as the Tesla. And yeah, just saying, it goes decently fast, but it doesn't accelerate like crazy. So just gonna leave that there for you guys. But let's step out of the car. We're gonna finish the tour, and yeah, just tell you guys like really quickly that if you do want to get a car that drives for Uber Black, you know, you're gonna make way more money doing this with a car like this. And you can get this car, this is a 2022, but you can get it for cheaper if you go used. But look at this. Actually, this is kind of a cool little front grille here. Kind of girly in my opinion, but like the lines in the front make it more masculine. So it's basically like a classic mom car or a classic dad car. I would say it's kind of a mom car. It's a little feminine for me. But yeah, if you're basically it's like a soccer mom car. Oh, let's look at the trunk space. I don't even show you guys trunk space. I haven't even opened the trunk yet, so totally forgot to do that. So you're seeing my first time opening up this sucker. Where's the latch at? Oh, there we go. Here we go. Trunk space. It's not horrible. Wow, dude. Dude, Mercedes gave me this car and it has freaking dog hair everywhere. I'm complaining. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, it's kind of nasty. I'm actually allergic to dogs, so maybe I should file a lawsuit against Mercedes right now. I'm just kidding. But you need a key to open that. I'm assuming the tire's down there. But yeah, I mean the trunk space is fine. You got this to cover if you have any like you want to hide something in there. But it's honestly not a huge car. This is not very tall. It's maybe like a couple feet. So and it's kind of short, to be honest, right here. This thing's kind of in the way. I don't think you can really remove this. I mean, you probably could if you really wanted. Yeah, it does have a place to remove it, but like there's not a ton of room back here. So stop. I don't know how to shut this thing, but yeah, it's definitely a shorter car. It's like a mid-size SUV. Maybe even a compact SUV. Like, it looks pretty small in my opinion. And let's just go to the back. Now I'm kind of realizing it's kind of a small car. Yeah, the legroom in the back looks tiny to me. I mean, I'm not even a tall guy. But like, just get back here. Oh yeah, this is small, guys. I'm sorry. This is a big con. I mean, it was maybe not a con, but it's just a small car. Like, and again, like, I'm not a super tall guy, so I don't even have the seat back that far. But imagine if you have a driver who's like, you know, 6'5" or you know, 6'4", and the seat would have to be back way farther. And even on this side, like, yeah, my knees are basically touching this thing. So, and I'm not obese or big or like that big. So just saying, guys, just to keep that in mind. But other than that, it's a pretty chill car. And I like driving it, mostly because it's new. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Thumbs up the video. Make sure to subscribe to the show. And yeah, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye now.